How's it going, YouTube? We are hooking up to an empty trailer here at the Snyder Drop Yard in Ohio. And what we're going to do is we got to clean the trailer because people drop it without cleaning them, so you got to clean it before you can make a pickup. So I'm already backed up underneath the trailer. So now what I have to do is get it all hooked up. You see it's already connected to the trailer there. So now what we got to do is put this, my airlines, my electrical cord. Alright. I hate it when they cross like that. Alright, so we got the red over here. I usually don't do it this way. I usually start with the blue, but we'll get it. Alright. There. No, that don't look right. I don't like the way that looks. Ah. Alright, so we got that hooked up. Where's my Maxi? Where's my Maxi doing? Now we'll get the landing gear jacked up, and then we will go in, get the trailer cleaned out real quick. Maybe if we can get this landing gear to come up. There we go. There we go. Alright, now what we're doing today is we are picking up a load. It's only supposed to be 23 miles away, but it's actually 33 miles away. So, is that right there? Alright, let's grab the leaf blower here. Alright, Maxie, Dad, go clean the trailer. Oh boy. Check out lights. Lights all work. Kick the tires. Alright. Whew. Alright, so come over here. Kick the side of the tires. Alright. Don't go too far, Max the rule. Guys, gotta clean the trailer out, baby. That door. Don't like the way that door sounds. It's an old trailer, it shouldn't be opening that hard. Okay. So this is what you do when you pick up. Well, this is what you're supposed to do when you pick up and drop a trailer. You're supposed to make sure the trailer is clean. You see all that? Driver dropped it. Then you care about the next person picking up the trailer. Yes, I am complaining because it's just not right. What we'll do is we'll put this out here. Hi, buddy. Hi. You all done? You want to go in the truck? Huh? You want to go sit in the truck? Okay, hold on. All right, well. Let's go put Maxie in the truck. You all done? Okay. Come on. What I'll do is I'll put him in the truck so that way. Because usually I let him out. But there's too much people riding around here today for some reason. 3. Oh, good jump, buddy. Okay, the day trick is ours. Yes, I know you too. Okay, I got 8 minutes. All right. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, 1 minute. All right. Nobody will get near the truck. Not with 10 minutes. So I don't have to worry about it. It is a beautiful day today here in Ohio. Shorts, and as you can tell, t-shirt. So that's not bad. All right, now that trailer door's not gonna stay open now. Oh, tell you, I don't like the way that sounds, huh? Okay. So we sat up here. Like I said, I like a trailer clean. I used to load trailers, and having a clean trailer is what it's all about. So we're gonna do our best to get it spotless. See what we can do here. I mean, it could be worse, you know. Could be totally trashed. Which I spent an hour cleaning one of my trailers one time here at Snyder. Of course, when I was with Prime, I mainly brought it down to the washout. Especially if it had chicken or fish or meat in it. You know, any kind of beef or anything. I'd get it washed out, but if it held like eggs or something like that, or dry material, then I would just get the leaf blower out, the one that plugs into the power inverter, and just use that. But this is what it is about driving right here. You just gotta remember, it's not all dropping hooks. The load I'm picking up, of course, it is a dropping hook, but you gotta remember though that a lot of loads sometimes ain't dropping hooks. Sometimes you gotta wait to get loaded. And it happens. I mean, it doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen. Especially if if you're thinking about becoming an owner-operator and getting your own trailer, then that's going to turn into nothing but live loads and live unloads. But the upside about that is that you know the trailer that you're hauling has nothing wrong with it because you're the only one hauling it. You know the thing's gonna be clean. You know there ain't gonna be nothing wrong with the tires. There's nothing gonna be wrong with the brakes. Waiting for the guy to come by. He's got a wagon, and he asked me if I would put all this wood that's out here with the leaf blower and push it up, so that way he can pick it up easier. And I told him sure. I said, let me just do my trailer real quick and I'll give you some more of a mess. I don't know if that's his job or if he's just doing it because he's bored, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna put it in a pile for him. I told him I'd pick it up, but all right. Now, at first glance, looks pretty clean, right? You know, if you come in, you're doing an inspection. Oh yeah. Well, Yeah, let me show you what my second layer will do. What I do now is I kick it up. See all that dust still? This doesn't take long. You just got to be motivated to do it. You got to think of the next driver, the next customer. You know, they're gonna want to get a trailer that's dirty and they can't load it because it's too dirty. If you're going to a paper place that has rolls of paper, you might as well hang it up, because if your trailer has a little bit of dirt in it, you ain't getting loaded. So it's a good idea to get into the practice of doing this. You know, give it a, you know, next time, you know, you do it the first time. Usually if there's big pieces, I'll go and pick up the big pieces first. And then I come in, I do my cleaning. And then full speed, boom, done. Now this trailer is all set for the next customer. I didn't tell you what happened to me this morning. I went out to walk Max because this load didn't pick up anyways until later on. You know, it has like an open appointment. But by the time I got out of New York and over here, I wasn't, you know, one thing, the load wasn't ready. Wasn't ready until 8 o'clock this morning, but I couldn't move until like 11. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna, you know, get showered and everything like that. Well, I come out, I start my truck up, and I noticed that my fuel light was on. And I'm like, why is my fuel light on? My fuel light should not be on. And so I said, well, maybe it's the sensor, because I only went, what, 500 miles, I believe? No, 300 and something miles. That's when I fueled up. I put 50 gallons in. And so, you know, and the load was light. It was Frito-Lay, wasn't that heavy. And so I go over to the fuel aisle. I said, you know, maybe it's a sensor, maybe I'm, you know, parked wrong or something like that, I don't know. And so I go over there and I get the pump all fired up to go. And this ain't all my crap, but put it into a pile, make it easier for that guy. He just told me not to record him, that's all. So whenever he comes by around again, that's one thing too, you have to obey. You know, you have to be nice when you got your camera. A lot of people don't want to be on film. So if they say, hey, yeah, don't film me, then guess what? You can't film them, you know? They ask, I know you're out in public and everybody thinks, well, you're in public, you can do what you want, but no. Me, myself, I just say, you know, yes, okay, no problem. All right, there we go. Nice little pile. We still got, I don't know, probably about another 10 minutes before we can leave anyways, so. There's a trash can over here. Like I said, if he doesn't get it all, I'll come back and get it myself. But yeah, so anyway, so I go over and I start filling up my truck. You know, I get the pump all turned on, and I go to take the cap off the driver's side of my truck. Well, what do I find? My cap's not even on my friggin' truck. My fuel tank is wet, and the side of my truck is wet. Why? Because my frickin' tank got siphoned. I'm not too happy about that now, because they took quite a bit of fuel to have my light pop on. And so, word of advice, this is that other one I got right here. If you guys are ever looking for a nice leaf blower right here, boy, whew, this thing works awesome. Love this thing. But you see how I got it all set up in here? See, this cord is not usually here. I was using this cord here. If you guys remember my video of keeping my motor warm. We got a cat's claw, because that, you know, you need that for nails and stuff in the board, in the thing there. See, ever since I did my truck, you find nothing but metal shavings and metal everything. These right here is what I use. These will cut your metal seals and your cable seals. I got these on Amazon for $35. There's the name of them right there. It's called Park Tool. Yes, baby, hold on. All right, now I have these here. I did a video. I don't know if it ever came out. I don't know if I forgot to put it out or not, but I'm gonna have to do it just so I can show you guys. I use these to put on the side of the trailer, and then that's what I use to hang this up to keep this off the ground. And of course, you know, you got your power inverter right here. So, bada boom, bada bang. Hate that when people move my stuff. All right, so we have my lock right here. This is the old Prime lock. Nope. I don't put that back the other way, huh? And of course, we do our own greasing. We have our own grease gun right here. I have a spare light just in case if one blows out again. These right here, I have just those times that the kingpin doesn't want to come out. Air cup lock. So that's everything we have in there. I mean, we got some screwdrivers and stuff in there. I got some hazmat things I found on a trailer and on a drop and hook. So I took them off. I said, heck with it. You never know when you're gonna need them, right? You stop hitting me. You hit me. Did you hit Daddy? Had to make sure that he wasn't destroying my bananas. All right, so the trailer we picked up, which we're gonna end up dropping, is TA 142388. If we had a 5, we'd have a small kind. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, we'd have a, no, that is a small straight, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe it is. Yeah, look at that. Full house. I mean, half, friggin', oh, what the hell's that called? Haven't played Yahtzee in a while. But anyways, so now we got to put in that we're taking off with this trailer. We put in, double check it to make sure we do it right, because you don't want to. 388. Okay, and then we're departing here. Okay, now we got to go over here. Whoop. Crackhead, table for 1. I don't want to go there. We'll go down here. Over here to dispatch. Over here. Do that so we can get directions on how to get to the place. Now we're going to do a tug test to make sure we are completely hooked. Always lose power. See? I don't understand what about that APU. Now, alright. 2 tug tests, 2 forward, 1 back. Alright, well, maybe we'll do a back end video when I get over there and unhook and a hookup. And so we will talk with you guys later. Alrighty, I'm back.